Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix a Wi-Fi problem in your Samsung smartphone. If you are facing the Wi-Fi networks are not connecting to the mobile phone, how you can fix them, and if it is auto disconnect. So friends, you have to first go to the settings of your smartphone, click on connections, click on Wi-Fi, enable the Wi-Fi from here, and here it is the refresh button. You can just click on it and it will show the available devices to connect. If it is not showing, you have to click on search of your settings, like just right here, reset all settings. Here it is, reset Wi-Fi settings. Tap on here, enable the passcode, click on again reset, and you can see the Wi-Fi settings has been reset successfully, and now it's done, and you can just restart your device for better. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.